Hi, here's a little slideshow of some of my trundles about on my Firefly electric motorcycle. First real trip I went to Swainby. Then Christmas Day I went to Yarm, my actual hometown. Just a local ride. Same day, down by the riverside, not many people about, but it's good to be out. We're getting into early spring. Middleton 1 row. It's down by the River Tees. And this is Ingleby Greenhow. Nice daffodils out. Bit more of Ingleby Greenhow. Well, this was a bit more ambitious. I went to Over Silton, which is quite a way through the up and down hilly countryside in the North Yorkshire moors. And back closer to home, Craythorne. Nice day, early spring. Went to Swainby, and this is just outside Swainby, a place called Walton. You can see my flask there on the seat, my Kit Kat. A nice pleasant day to sit out and scoot about. Walton Castle. I think you can still get in there if you find your way around the gate. Well, I saw this tractor at, I think it was at Ellerbeck. And I doubled back and get a photo of it with the scooter in. This is Hutton Rugby. Just past this pub and I saw the traction engine, so I've got to stop and have a photo of that, haven't we? People enjoying sitting out. Not allowed to go inside, of course. Hilton. Little village quite close to here. Some nice walks round there. Pot and Glass at Eaglescliff. Judge's Hotel, Kirk Levington. Just a little scoot round. Sometimes go for a meal in there. This is Craythorne Hall, or part of it. Back to Craythorne, the old post office. And the pub. Been featured a few times on TV. Gone fishing went there. And to finish off with the horse sitting down. And that's it.